Okay, now we're on part 3 of drawing the face, and this is where we work on the nose. So we have the eyes, we have the guidelines. Typically when I'm working on the nose, this is the line where the very bottom of the nose is going to be. I usually do a circle or an oval. See how it's above that line? This is to kind of represent the part of the nose that sticks out the furthest. I guess the tip of the nose. Okay. And then I'll make, underneath I'll make a triangular shape. Just bear with me. I know it looks a little strange. Okay, so then I'm going to turn this into a rounder part like the septum, and then I'm going to curve the line up here. It's almost like, looks almost like wings, but it's curved like this. You want to make sure that these are even. Okay. Next step, I do these two curved lines on the side. One thing I wanted to point out is that the width, like this, the part of where the corner of your nose is, lines up with the inside corner of your eye. So that is one way to check your proportions. And so this will come here. Depending on the size of your face, sometimes people have wider noses. These are your nostrils. It's kind of about how much you would see from the front. Okay. And this is where I would bring the line up a little bit like this, and then bring it up here. Again, very lightly, because I am going to erase some of the lines. Alright. Just kind of blend it a little bit so that we have our shape here. What really makes the nose stand out is when you start adding your shading or your contrast darker color. A place that is going to usually have a bit more of a shadow would be underneath the nose. And I'm just adding it lightly. Then you'll have a little bit on the sides.